Alex, great to meet you. Now, Cadspec. The CAD/CAM system has been around for over 30 years, but could you tell me a little bit about the business and how you're different in the market?
Sure. So Cadspec itself started in 1989. We're a subgroup of the MACH group, which has actually been in the business since 1965. So we're quite well established, and we're still family owned as well. Primarily Cadspec, we're an Autodesk supplier. We provide training, consultancy, basically helping design and engineering and AEC businesses get the most out of their software. But where we excel is our consultancy offering. So we've got an in-house team of development specialists. We have a very unique consultancy-led approach, and we specialise in helping design, engineering and AEC businesses really solve the problems that are keeping their C-level up at night.
So that's quite interesting, actually, because I think when you're talking about tricky jobs, pain points, having that sort of background and that banked knowledge as a consultancy, I presume that really helped a lot of the projects you work on?
Absolutely, yeah. So the kinds of things that we get involved with are, we're not here to sell a box of software or a toolbox that's a one size fits all. We offer a very tailored and bespoke approach, and we actually spend a lot of time coming on site, doing workshops on site with people, getting our technical team involved, really doing the due diligence to ensure that we understand the problem before we develop a bespoke solution for that. Some of the solutions that we provide are things like online CPQs, so configure price quote systems, automatic quoting, BIM strategy and BIM content, that sort of stuff. And of course, on the machine shop floor, we can develop dashboards to monitor equipment with sensors, all kinds of stuff like that. And what we really try and do is make sure that before we go into that technical kind of scope of work phase, that we really understand the problem.
And finally, for any engineers that are looking for a CAD/CAM system, how do you approach them? Is it very much like a consultative sale?
Absolutely, yeah. It's all about the face-to-face for us. We like to get in front of the people and really try and understand exactly what it is that they're after. So we start with an initial kind of what we call a 30-minute discovery session. That can actually be online. And if there is something that we feel that we can help with, we then delve a bit deeper with a 2-hour session. And then finally, we then kind of come on site for days at a time, potentially, to understand the problem, where we bring in our technical team, our consultants, and we really try and establish exactly where can we bring real business benefit. Because we don't want to just sell a box of software and tick a box for someone. We want to provide real ROI and actually align to the business's strategy as well.
And I presume that you can show case studies where you've actually sort of, made a big difference on a manufacturing project or an engineering project.
Absolutely, yeah. We've got examples where we've built CPQ systems that take, traditional quoting and design drawing time from 4 hours to 4 minutes. We've developed dashboards that allow, really comprehensive monitoring of CNC machines and what's actually happening on the shop floor, as well as very sleek VR, AR marketing experiences showcasing your product. So effectively getting the most out of your digital assets, that's what we're about.